Hi guys, I would love to invite you guys to our amazing workshop that's going to be in part preparing ourselves for the great and grand opening for the exhibition, and as well as just witnessing us in our flow state greatly and seeing how we manifest this beautiful sense of creative endeavors and artistic achievements that you guys will thoroughly enjoy. Flow state is basically a state that I feel greatly that occurs when time and space becomes relevant and irrelevant. In my practice, the flow state is really felt when I am, especially in illustration, that's what I learned how to transmute this level of concentration and attention to detail, where I just zone into one area of detail and just really hone into each and every single line gesture that's made. Thus, it also translates deeply, even sonically, where you just focus on one tempo, one metronome. That makes great sense. That's just amazing. That's the best way I actually find when the flow state really is induced in my work.